Howdy there, folks. Today we're going to take a look at this Smith's electric fish fillet knife. Has a pretty long cord, probably, I'd say 3 to 4 feet long, probably. Has rubber that's knurled on it, so you can grip it easily. Comes with 2 sets of fillet blades, a thinner set, like this, and then this set here. Has sheath for it, for protection. Also comes with cut-proof gloves, which is pretty nice, and a storage bag. The way this works is you just slide that in so that it's locked together like that. And then you slip the blades right down the center. Make sure they locked in place. And we'll plug it in here. Uh-oh. What am I doing wrong? Let's see. Make sure I got the power hooked up. Oh, it's got a safety switch on it. There it goes. Seems to run pretty good. It's not too loud. Was sent to me for review.